Hey guys, it's Reese. Welcome back to the channel. So, quick unboxing. It's just the one car. And the reason is because this is a new model from Matchbox, the 1966 Dodge Charger. Now, let me know what car you think this reminds you of in the comments below on this video after I unbox this car. Because I already think I know I have my answer, but I want to have everyone think of their own different answer. And, you know, my answer probably won't be the same as everyone else's, but I just want you to let me know what you think this car reminds you of. Of a different kind of Dodge car, I suppose. Or some other car, maybe. Or maybe something important in Dodge muscle car history. So, yeah. I'll be back shortly with the car unboxed. The only other new car from this mix of Matchbox cars, mix 4 from this year. Yes, this is a mix 4 car already. Which is why it's a good idea to check, you know, your Walmart, Target, or if you don't have King Soopers, whatever your Kroger store is, depending on where you live inside of USA is, to see if they have new Hot Wheels Matchbox getting put out certain days that is. Because, the local store for Walmart, for me, new Matchbox cars. There was Mix 3 and Mix 4. And the strange thing is, I saw a black Corvette. And for some reason, I was thinking that black Corvette was from an older mix, but I don't think it was, because the first one was blue and then the second one was red. For the C8 Matchbox Corvette. And then this next one's black, and I think the black one came out with that Porsche and other stuff. Although I'm not quite sure if that was the second mix. I believe it was, and it had a Corvette in it. So yeah, the only other new casting from this mix was a Tesla Model X, I do believe, from Mix 4. Unfortunately, I was not able to find that one at the same store where I found this new one, but to be honest, I'd take this over the Tesla any day because it just looks way cooler in my opinion. I mean, both of them would look great in my collection. The Tesla's the Model X, and I think it's in a red or blue color, although I'm not quite sure. Because the Mix 5 Tesla SUV is the Model Y, which is an not as big Matchbox Tesla SUV. And I think that's blue, I do believe, or the Model X is blue, or the Model X is red. I'm not sure, but I know that the Model Y is not red, although I could be wrong. So yeah, I'm just throwing out random guesses or opinions or thoughts of what the colors will be for the Tesla SUVs in Mix 4 and 5 from this year's Matchbox cars from 2022. And I know this doesn't have anything to do with the unboxing, but I think it's just best if I say this, that Mix 4 and Mix 5 have some really nice cars, but Mix 4 only has 2 new cars, and I was able to get one of them, which is still really great. And that's the one I'm unboxing right now. Surprisingly, I will be able to do a comparison because I have a Hot Wheels one, and I think theirs is a 66 or 67 too. So yeah, once I unbox this, I can do a comparison of the two. I think this color is better than the Hot Wheels one, because the Hot Wheels one was like a weird green color. I actually need to make sure I still have that one somehow. If I don't, then I can't do the comparison. So yeah, enough talk about comparing cars and new cars from Matchbox, but I just thought I'd give some, you know, useful, helpful information of certain cars coming out. Because, you know, this is one of the new cars, and wasn't expecting to even find this today, and I did. Alright. Time to unbox it. There we go. So yeah, there's the 66 Dodge Charger fully unboxed from the card. It only has taillight details, and it actually spells out the word Dodge, if you can see that. Or Charger, I believe, one of the two. It's actually Charger, not Dodge. Glad I caught that. Side view. Front view with the interesting looking grill headlight kind of thing. And then the hood. I want to say it's a V8 engine under this car's hood, although I'm not quite sure. Because old school muscle cars wasn't, my kind of thing for car knowledge, so yeah. Let me know if you know what engine this has for this Dodge Charger from 1966. If it's a V8 or something else, in the comments below in this video. But everyone, thanks for watching this kind of quick, but not really super quick Dodge Charger Matchbox 2022 Mix 4 unboxing video. And also have a great rest of your weekend, everyone.